Alright, throw them in there. Is that all of them?
Oh, that's all of them.
Well, you're moving the bear, are you? Yeah. Alright, fuck, run. Alright, we should be safe here. Yeah, it is. Holy fuck! That was a good one. That was 3 aerosol cans. That's all now. We're safe to go back now.
That's only one bang.
They all went together.
You sure?
Alright, we'll stay here for a few more minutes. We're gonna keep recording anyway.
Every time it says that, it usually happens the other way.
Yeah, well, I think that was one big bang. It shouldn't have been that loud.
They all can't explode at the same time. I can hear one sizzling.
Okay, well, we'll stay here then. I'll keep recording it. I don't hear sizzling.
Oh, I do.
Okay, well, oh, there we go. That one didn't blow it out. Hopefully it'll blow at the end of it. Holy fuck.
Holy fuck. That's on the second one.
So one more.
Yeah.
Yeah, here's sizzling. It's hard to say if it's that burning or if it's the other one. Well, so one of them was completely empty, so that would have been the bang, right?
One there is burning off. It could be the full tank one. Just see that rapid flame like a butane lighter.
Yeah. I'd say that's one with the paint into it.
Well, I got a full one here I haven't even used on a bike yet. I'm tempted to put that in after.
What is it?
Flat black paint I haven't used.
Yeah, put it in. You can buy more after. Or do you have anything right now you got to paint or anything?
Not. Oh, yes and no.
It's not that. Throw it in. You got to buy more.
It's probably worth $5.
Yeah, it is for that bang.
Yeah, but this is even a full one. That'd be a massive bang.
Yeah, I know. Just make sure you tell me it does so I can record it.
Oh yeah.
I think that's gone down now. Watch the other one.
I only heard 2 bangs.
I know you heard 2 bangs. Yeah, that was that was pretty loud even for one can, right?
It gotta be the half full one to go up like that.
I don't know though. Everything echoes there too, though.
Alex, you ain't putting this on Facebook, are you?
What?
You ain't putting this on Facebook, are you?
Why?
Because I'm anti-Facebook. I actually don't use it.
That's for YouTube, but you're not in it.
Okay, it was a YouTube thing.
DC has a YouTube channel.
Okay.
Yeah, it's YouTube channel. I don't fuck with Facebook.
Okay. Facebook, I'm cool with.
And even still for YouTube, it don't matter. You're not in it anyway.
Yeah.
Now, unless you talk, it's only our voices to fire is what's being recorded.
Yeah.
No faces.
Yes, I don't see the point of posting videos on YouTube. I'd rather just on Facebook. I'd rather just put on YouTube, right?
I find people knows too much about you on Facebook, right?
Yes, the YouTube, no one knows you because I don't even have my name up there. I'm Gravedigger93 on YouTube.
Okay, that's cool.
Now, Numbskull over there got his name up there. I don't know why he put his name on YouTube.
That's the new one. That's Googled on that. It used to be just Death Keeper.
Yeah, Mom's like that too, but you can go and change that.
Oh, I don't be on YouTube enough to change it, right?
Yeah, so I went on there as my name, but I went in and put it as Gravedigger, right?
Is that my last name, though? That was family name. It's just Brandon CJ.
Yeah, they make a Google account.
Oh, I thought your last name was there.
No.
Well, don't say your last name because this is going on YouTube, right?
Oh, it don't matter.
It don't matter. You don't want people to know everything about you.
People does worse stuff than that puts on YouTube and has their name there.
Mm-hmm.
A lot worse.
We're not doing nothing. Like we're in the woods having a fire on bonfire night.
Yeah. Well, every night's bonfire night we're in the mood for.
Yeah, this actually is bonfire night. There's a difference.
You're still recording?
Yeah, I'm going to stop recording that for now.